What is good, boys? So in today's video, I'll be going over how to make fuck you money in trading when you're trading price action combined with liquidity grabs. I'm gonna be going over why the old way of trading is completely dead with a breakout, retrace of this level, and then the continuation. This is completely dead, bro. This doesn't work. It works maybe, you can maybe have a 30, if you're really good, 40% win rate maximum, but I'll be going over the strategy on how to combine price action with liquidity grabs and how you can achieve an 85 plus win rate, 85 plus percentage win rate, right? Not only that, but I'll also, wait, what is this? I'll also be going over some live trading examples of me making multiple thousands of dollars every single day in the markets by using this, by taking advantage of price action combined with liquidity grabs. So I'll be going over some live trading examples as well, but let me tell you why. So first of all, watch the entire video. Trust me, take some notes because this video is worth literally thousands of dollars. This is what most gurus charge you money for, and I'm giving you away completely for free on this channel, on this video alone, let alone just this video, right? So let me explain why the old way of trading is completely dead, why it doesn't work. So if you have been taught, which you probably have, you've been taught that just buy the retracement after price breaks out. So if this is a level in a bullish trend, price breaks out, retraces, rejection of this retracement, you place your buys right here, stops down here, and you're anticipating this move to continue down. You're anticipating all-time highs or new higher highs. This is the old way of trading, right? So you're anticipating that this move will just push up. Well, just be honest here. What moves the market? If you don't know the answer, just no worries, I'm here to teach you. But what moves the market is liquidity. In order to get this big push going up, you need liquidity. You need stop losses to get hunted, stop losses to get liquidated in order to get this move right here. So instead of getting it early right here with basic price action, you need to combine it with liquidity grabs. So you wait for the retail traders to get liquidated right here, and then you take advantage of that move continuing up. I will explain this in more in-depth, right? Okay, so let's go to a clear whiteboard here. So this is basic market structure, right? High, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, right? Then price pushes up, break structure, new, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. This is basic market structure. High, higher, low, high, higher, low. This wasn't able to break this high. Now breaks of structure here. Low, lower, high, lower, low. This is basic market structure. You should know this by now, right? But if everyone and their fucking mother would be buying right here after price starts to reject this area with a breakout plus a retrace of this level, buy at this rejection right here, everyone would be a fucking millionaire. If price was this easy to read, everyone would be so fucking rich in trading. But the reality is that 99% of traders lose money and never become profitable. Why? Well, because they're being taught this way. They're being taught that just buy the breakout after price starts to reject this retracement. They're anticipating that price will just continue to fly up here. But how? How? Just tell me how. Price needs liquidity in order to fly up, in order to go up or down. Price needs liquidity, right? So instead of getting in right here with the stops below, just because this is a breakout, right? Breakout of this level right here, price starts to retrace right here. This retracement right here, price starts to reject now right here. You get into buys right here, stop loss down here, anticipating new higher highs. But this is completely dead, boys. You can maybe have a 30 to 40% win rate on a good day, but instead of getting in early right here, right? Let's draw out the levels once again. Instead of getting in early right here, like most retail traders, like most NPCs, okay, that's what I like to call them. You just wait for, let's put up this example right here so it's easier to understand. They're anticipating this move, by the way. Retail traders, NPCs, institutions, whatever you want to call it, they're anticipating this to continue up, right? The idea is good. You just need to combine price action with liquidity grab. This is just price action alone. You need liquidity as well in order to move the market, right? So instead of getting an early right here, stops below, TP up here, well, you now wait for the retail traders to get liquidated right here because there's sell side liquidity down here, right? And there's buy side liquidity above this previous high up here. And liquidity equals stop losses. So there's stop losses down here by retail traders because they have gotten their stop loss right here below this previous wick right here, below this previous closure down here, right? But stop losses equals liquidity, liquidity equals money. The market wants to hunt money in order to make it move, right? So what most likely is going to happen is that it gets liquidated right here and then price moves in the overall direction that you were anticipating. And just be honest here, right? I guarantee you that you have tried this as well. You've gotten in, let's say in this example, for this example, you've gotten into buy positions right here. Price immediately after you enter gets and hits your stop loss. and you think to yourself, the market is just against me, the market is hunting my stop loss. But in the reality is that it's not. It just needs liquidity in order to move. Then you get liquidated right here by literally a fucking tiny pip, maybe 1, 2, or 3 pips, something. You've probably tried it. I guarantee you've tried it before, because I've tried it so many times. You get liquidated, and then look at this. Then goes the directional move. There is the continuation right there, which you were anticipating. You just got in too early, right? But this is the old way of trading right here. You get in too early after a rejection of this retracement, after this level. Well, instead, if you want to achieve a 85% win rate plus 85%, I've got an 85 on the 30-minute time frame, 85% win rate on the 30-minute time frame last year, and an 87. You can go over the track records on my YouTube, whatever, doesn't matter. But I'll also be going over some live trading examples just in a bit, so just keep watching. But instead, you wait for the retail traders to get liquidated right here, and then you take advantage of that move to continue up. That's how you make fuck you money in trading. That's the easiest way to make so much fucking money in trading. And I'm not over exaggerating here. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, okay? And I should probably also say that liquidity grabs, and when you wait for the anticipation of the liquidity grabs to take advantage of the continuation post liquidity grab, I know it sounds a bit confusing, right? But you have to wait for it to do it in a volatile session on a volatile pair. That could be US30, for example, at NYSE. That could be gold at New York session, right? So you have to combine it with time frames as well. But that's another video for another time. But let's go over this live trading example right here. Look at this shit. Okay, wait, let's fast forward a bit so I don't have so many arrows on my screen, so it's made easier for me to explain. Look at this shit. Where does most retail traders get in? Look at this shit, bro. This is a clear level right here. Look, there's a rejection here, 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 and here. This is a clear level. Price breaks out right here, break, retrace, price starts to reject with this candle right here, right? So most traders, most retail traders, most institutions, most NPCs get into sell positions right here. Let's make it like, no, let's make it a bit fatter, no cap. Let's make it, yeah, okay, perfect. So most retail traders get into sells right here with the stop loss up here. Let's actually make it yellow, right? Just for indication of a position right there. Stop loss is red up here, and they're anticipating that this move will continue down to these levels, right? The idea is completely right, but it's just pure price action. You can't just trade pure price action. You need price action combined with liquidity in order to make a shit ton of money. I know most gurus are telling you to just buy the retracement after price breaks, and then you can be financial free, you can have location, time freedom, you can achieve all these things. But that's just a BS. They're trying to sell you a course. This is not how the market moves, right? Is it even clear, bro? I think this screen is pretty weird to look at. This isn't how market moves, right? This is the theoretical way of how price moves, right? This is the easiest way price moves, but it's not the reality of it, right? If it was this easy, just buy here, stop loss here, TP up here, everyone and their fucking mother would be learning to trade within a few months and become profitable and never have to look out for anything when it comes to, money. They don't have to think about anything about money. They're completely rich, right? But this isn't the fucking case. This isn't the reality in trading. The reality is that the market will hunt the most retail traders, they will hunt the institutions, the NPCs, and then move, right? So this is a clear example of a live trading example here, where I show you how to take advantage of it post liquidity grab, right? So instead of getting, wait, let's actually do this. Instead of getting right here, look, this is where most retail traders get in. Look, it's a breakout right here, retrace, and then they're anticipating this big move to continue down, right? But what happens? Well, NYSE on US30, high volatility pair, high volatility session, it moves price up, pushes price up, grabs all this liquidity up here, and stops out all the early sellers, stops out all the retail traders, stops out all the institutions that have gotten their stop losses up here, and then it moves in the overall bearish direction. So instead of getting in early right here, wait for the high volatility session, wait on a high volatility pair, with high volume, right? And wait for the liquidity grab, and then take advantage of that move continuing down post liquidity grab, right? So that is what I literally do every single day, and that's how I make thousands of dollars every single day on a live account with proof of live account, proof of live account, funny enough, proof of withdrawals, proof of bank statements, and I trade live every single day as well. But that's beside the point. I'm not no typical guru. Please do not call me guru ever, or fake guru, demo guru. I don't trade demo. I show proof of literally everything while documenting everything as well. But that's besides the point. Look at this shit. Look at how much volume there is on US30. This is real time, by the way. This is in Greece as well, bro. I miss Greece. I can't lie. I need to go back in a few weeks. Or I'm actually planning on traveling to Portugal in a few weeks. But besides the point, I'm getting off script here. I'm getting activated right there, right? Post liquidity grab, you can see the liquidity grab is up here, liquidated all the retail traders, right? And now the continuation is about to happen, right? Post liquidity grab. We're taking advantage of the continuation, post liquidity grab. Instead of getting in early, we wait for the liquidity grab to combine price action with liquidity in order to get that big move, right? So we get in, right? Price just moves, make about $1,000. That's it. It is literally so easy. We can go over another one as well. Let's see here. So wait, no, let's make it full screen like this so I can draw my arrows. Yep, perfect. Okay, look at this. What happens here? Well, wait, let's pause. Can I pause this? Okay, perfect, I can. So what happens right here? Well, no, let's go to time frame where it makes more sense. Look at this. On the 30-minute time frame, no, this is the 1 hour time frame. Can I draw something here, bro? My annotation is fucked. 1 hour time frame. Look, most retail traders will get into sells right here, stops up here, right? Anticipating that this move will continue down to these levels. The idea is right, but this is pure price action. You need to wait for price action combined with liquidity grabs in order to get this move, right? But I'm yapping here a lot. Let's make this as easy as possible, fast as possible as well. Look at this shit. All the retail traders now got liquidated because they had their stops up here. They just got ran. Look at all these stops that just got ran. And when there's liquidity, well, what comes after the liquidity? The continuation to continue down. It is literally so fucking easy. So instead of getting in early right here, we identified that there was buy side liquidity up here, sell side liquidity down here, and price will most likely hunt buy side liquidity in an overall bearish trend before hunting sell side liquidity, and vice versa. If we're in a bullish trend, price will most likely grab sell side liquidity down here before moving in the overall direction. Price will most likely follow the overall daily 4 hour and 1 hour direction, right? The overall higher time frame direction, funny enough. But let's see here. Price action, or I mean, sell subs has been placed. We get activated in a few minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Price moves down. Lovely. Make about, I don't know, let's see here, like $1,000 or something. 1.2k, closed at $1,300 in literally like 5 minutes or something, with a clear breakout liquidity grab continuation down. Instead of getting in early, wait for the liquidity grab and take advantage of that continuation post liquidity grab. Let's show another one. This was so clean. This is the last one. I swear, I'll stop yapping. But this one is probably the most cleanest one. This is, this is very clean. Look at this. Okay, so just for clarification, this is the 30-minute time frame right here. It's closing in about 3 seconds. Let me wait for the closure right there. You can see it right here. It closes, right? So this is basic market structure as well. Look at this. A breakout retracement of this level. Price starts to reject now and anticipating new lower lows. Retail traders are getting in right here after this closure right there, with the stops above here, anticipating this move to continue down to these levels. Again, the idea is right. You're following the overall higher time frame trend, which is bearish, but you can't just trade price action alone. This is just price action. You need price action combined with liquidity. Look, what happens? Well, we don't enter right here because we're not NPCs. We wait. Look, I'm taking a sip of my booster. We wait for liquidity to form, and then we take advantage of that move continuing down. Look, right here, price has now grabbed liquidity, grabbed and stopped out all these early sellers that had their stops up there, right? Grab liquidity, and now we're taking advantage of that continuation down once it breaks its own 30-minute low, right? So let's delete these arrows and let's fast forward a bit. So basic market structure combined with liquidity grab. Price action is market structure as well, if you didn't know already. But just take advantage of this move, activate it, boom, boom, boom. Take profit, $1,100 in literally like 2 minutes or something. It is so fucking crazy. This is the new way of trading. You need to wait for the liquidity grab in order to take advantage of that move to make fuck you money in trading. So if you're interested in a mentorship by me or trade live with me or a free playbook, free PDF, I have so many PDFs for free as well. Check the link in the description. If you like the video, let me know, show some love. If you don't, no worries. If you don't want to join the mentorship, if you don't want to join the trade live trading sessions, no worries at all. I don't mind. Just check the link to the description. It will help you out a ton because I've got some PDFs files you can go over as well. That was the video, boys. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.